Good morning, children. Coming to our ninth standard first unit, that is related to humor. Related to the first picture, that is a face sheet. Just observe the picture, and here and before that, you can go with the theme sheet. Here we have three reading parts: reading A, B, C. Out of that, the snake and the mirror. Reading A, that is related to prose, and coming to B, the duck and the kangaroo, and coming to the section C, a little Bobby. And now we are going to discuss the face sheet and observe the picture and check out your picture and how looking to this picture we will get humor. We'll smile ourselves. Simply we smile ourselves. Just watch that picture. And how do you feel about that? Are you feel that a monkey is enjoying and admiring his or her beauty? I think so here. Okay, and coming to the our topic here, coming to the first lesson, reading A part, the snake and the mirror, and this is about a homeopathy doctor's story, a funny story, and he was a bachelor. And first is paragraph itself explaining about the condition of the snake. If a snake enter into the room or if a snake coil to ourselves, what will you feel and how? And next paragraph it is explaining the summer night, and it's a very hot summer, and what is the condition of the summer at night time. It feels very happy, and he had his meal and the restaurant, and he entered into the room and he was listening some sounds, and especially it is explaining about that he was not it was a not electrified room, and the person was a Miyagri person. Miyagri means he earned very small in quantity. And coming to that, he has only one black coat. And this paragraph explaining how was the room condition and how the homeopathy doctor feels. And in that, along with the homeopathy doctor, the rats are enjoying with him and campaigning. The rats also giving company to him. And next paragraph about the materia medica. The book was explaining the materia medica, nothing but it is related to the medical book. And turn the next page, my dears. And here this para is related to the editing part. It was very, very important. One feels tempted into the look into the mirror when it is near. Is the automatical? Of course, we are also feel whenever, wherever, and especially in shopping malls. If we want to buy a new dress, simply we will go to the mirror side and we will observe that how was that dress, and if we like it we can buy it. Same as it is here, this paragraph explains about that the condition of the beautiness of the mirror, and the person how he was enjoying. And next he was giving a smile himself, and that was explained the next lines. And the next two paragraphs here, the no sooner had I written, the fat snake wriggled over the back of the chain and landed on my shoulder. When he was with his book, and he was very busy with his book, and he was observing writing something in that book, and a snake just landed on his shoulder. And how the feeling of that person when a snake landed on his shoulders, and what was the simultaneously the snake was moving from to the shoulder to the downwards, and simply he fall onto the lap of the homeopathy doctor. Coming to the next page, he jumped and he trembled, he cried out, but he can't do anything. Why? Because he was feeling very fear. And coming to this, he ran out of the room, and he moved to his friend's room. And come page number 5. It seemed as if God appreciated that paragraph. Very, very important. Beta, just go through that paragraph. And about the editing part, it was very important. And after moving to his friend's room, uh, he explained everything to his friends, and then later the snake was there only in the room, and he ran out. And next day morning, he came to his room and watched and observed everything, but nothing, no snake over there. And something happened in his room. But what was that, you know? And here the person explains about the condition of the room. Something was stolen by someone. That is, the doctor said everything. He has only one vest, one suitcase. In that, some coins and some earnings, smeogris are there, and removing everything. But he giving his insult vest, black vest, as a keep over then, and he gave a one simply and silly and funniest manner. The doctor used the sentences, the fellow had such a sense of cleanliness, the rascal could have taken it and used it after washing with the soap and water. About the vest, it was dirty, so that's why he lived over there, and that's why simply the words are used. Did you see the snake and the next time, doctor? The friends was asked the same question. The last sentences of this story is, the doctor laughed. I have never seen it since, and it was a snake which was taken with its own beauty. And this was written by Vaikom Muhammad Bashir Betta. And coming to the sixth page, in this sixth page, you can go with the Vaikom Muhammad Bashir's life history. Okay, my dears.